Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video, I will show you how to create a meeting in Payfunnels. To create a meeting, go to the events under the calendar. Click on the Add button, and select Meeting. Now, enter the title and add description. Here, this booking URL is automatically generated based on the title. You can change this name in the URL with the name of your choice. Now, select the meeting duration from available options or add a custom duration. Here, add team members to create a similar event for them. Choose the location from Google Meet, Zoom, address, or a custom meeting link. If you select address, enter the address details. Let's choose Google Meet here. Now select the meeting type. It can be one-time or recurring meeting. Mark the event as paid and enter the amount if it is chargeable, add tax, and toggle to make guests billable if required. You can allow invitees to add guest members if required. Choose this option to make this event public, and choose this option to make this event active or inactive. In the end, set the reminder duration for this meeting and click on Add. That's it. You can see that a new event has been created. Copy and share this booking link with your customers to book meetings in your calendar. Thanks for watching this video.